Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Huma, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to discuss exercise of chapter number 13, which is God be praised. Now let's move on to our first question, where we are going to discuss MCQs. Read the lesson and tick the correct word. Write the correct sentences in your notebook. The first statement is, Maulvi Abul had slightly slanting, bulging, drooping eyes. Slanting का मतलब होता है तिरछी आंखें, bulging का मतलब होता है उभरी हुई, जबकि drooping का मतलब है झुकी हुई. तो हमारे पास करेक्ट आंसर है bulging, उभरी हुई. The second statement is, he wore silver, gold, platinum rings with large stones. And the correct answer is silver. The third statement is, his cotton bag contained 152, 100, 200 or 300 rupees collected from devotees. And the correct answer is 200. The fourth one is, the name of his firstborn child was Zebunnisa, Mehrunisa, Lutfunnisa. And the correct answer is Mehrunisa. The fifth statement is, Chaudhry Fateh Dad was the member of the district council, board or bar. And the correct answer is board. The sixth statement is, Shamim Ahmed was the eldest, youngest or only son of Hafiz. So he was the only son, यानी कि वो उसका वाहिद बेटा था. Seventh statement is, Maulvi Abul had saved 33, 43, 53 rupees only. And the correct answer is 43. Eighth statement is, the 7 yards of silk that Shamim measured for Maulvi Abul was of 142, 42, 420 rupees. And the correct answer is 42. Ninth statement is, a few months after Mehrunisa's marriage, a secondary, middle, primary school was opened in the village. And the correct answer is primary school. And the last statement is, all these years, Maulvi Abul had 1, 2, 3 sources of inspiration. And the correct answer is 2. पहला उसका सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन खुदा था, जबकि दूसरा चौधरी फतेह दाद. तो यहाँ पे ये हमारी एक्सरसाइज खत्म हो जाती है. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दीज आंसर्स वेरी वेल. थैंक यू.